Well, I will say this thing feels really, really sturdy. There's some weight to this. There is some real weight to this. All right. So it looks like this is going to go in here. So this is gonna snap right into there, and that's gonna go around your neck. This is gonna be the MagSafe part right there, and then it's going to adjust like that, and then you can make the adjustment however you want to. So now there's a button right here on the side, and you can push that. That's going to that's going to release this part right there. So let's see, let's try it. So we'll put that there and snap that right into place. And now, let's see. Oh, there we go. So I think I may have to, there we go. So now I can have it there. So now if I'm out and about, let's see if I can, if I can get the, oh, there we go. Let me get my phone unlocked. Let's turn the camera on. There we go. And now if I was out filming, I can put this here. Let me turn that down, put that like that, lock it in, and now there we go. Now I can have a first person, oop, I think I'm just filming the back of my shirt here. So we want to let's turn the camera around. There we go. And there we go. Now we can have it. You can see, now I can have sort of a first person view right there. And if I wanted to do it the other way, let's say that I wanted to, I don't know if I can get, yeah, there we go. I guess I can do it like that. So if I want to do sort of a first person view and be hands-free, I can put it like that. And then there we go. And let me just adjust that. And now if I was doing something, say I was going to do an unboxing or something, I can tilt this down. And let's see, let me tilt this down a bit. There we go. And now I can have my hands free here. And let me see if I can actually, let me see if I can get this to the ultra wide angle lens. There we go. And now if I have the ultra wide angle lens, I'm going to record a little bit so you guys can actually see this. So now I'm recording here. If I want to show this, I can say, hey, I'm going to unbox this, blah, blah, blah. And I can work with the product however this is, make sure this is all straight, looking good there. And so I can say like, hey, the rest of this, there's a little user manual in there. There's a magnet in here. Well, if your phone doesn't have the MagSafe stuff in there, has some cleaning wipes in there so you can clean your phone before you put the stickers on. I can have all that. And the nice thing about this is that I can actually see my phone from here. So let me go ahead and hit stop. And let me play this back. And let's see here. And look at that. That is just kind of great. It really does give you a nice first person POV view right there. So if you're doing an unboxing or some sort of thing where you really want to give people an idea of what it looks like right in front of you, it really does give you that sort of look that makes it perfect for that. So that's really kind of sweet. I like that. So if I wanted to shoot something and I wanted to do sort of a first person view, I have that option with this, and I can use my smartphone as the as sort of the recording device. Now this doesn't come off right here. This thing does not come off. I think, does this swivel? No. I was trying to see if this thing came off and if it offered, say, like a, if it offered a different type of mount, maybe if you wanted to put a GoPro or something on there. So, yeah, I don't know. How did this thing fit in there? I think this must have been, let's see if I can get this thing. I don't know how this thing was in there. It must have been wrapped up like this, I think. There you go. Yeah, I think that's how it was. And then and it does also come with a wristlet. Very nice one too, with a little cinch on there. So that's very nice. Yeah, this is sweet.